So almost all of us click buy online every single day, right? But what actually happens behind that digital curtain? Well, today in this explainer, we are completely demystifying the complex, multi-user architecture of a modern e-commerce platform. We're going to use the actual digital blueprint of the Mohammed Riaz and partner LMC E-Store to break down exactly how this massive digital machine really works. We're taking a full ecosystem tour, basically walking through the 4 distinct neighborhoods of this platform's blueprint. We've got 1, the public storefront, 2, the customer experience, 3, the driver portal, and 4, the admin command center. Let's jump in. All right, Section 1, the public storefront. This is open to everyone, absolutely no sign-in required. Now, there is a super stark line here between casual public window shopping and the highly secured customer account experience. On the open access side, anyone can just browse product grids and make B2B wholesale inquiries. But if you want full order management, well, the whole environment locks down entirely, requiring one-time passwords and passkeys. It's a really brilliant division of accessibility on one side and ironclad security on the other. But, even without an account, that public side is incredibly robust. You've got your standard homepage with featured slideshows and custom-filtered category grids. But the absolute standout feature? Order tracking. Literally, just by entering an order number, a user can see a live driver position, a status timeline, and even use a click-to-call function. It's totally designed to provide maximum transparency with minimum friction, right up to the exact point where a user decides to finally sign in using an email OTP or a passkey. Moving on to Section 2, the customer experience. Think of this as the VIP lounge, accessed only after that OTP or passkey sign-in. Now, to get users into that VIP lounge, this platform uses some seriously frictionless modern tech. Passkeys mean users log in using biometric Face ID or Touch ID. So yeah, no more password reset rage. And it's built as a progressive web app, or PWA. This means the website can be installed directly onto a user's device, where it behaves exactly like a native app. And the best part? They never even have to visit an app store. It's all about making that return visit as seamless as humanly possible. Okay, this is absolutely crucial. By forcing GPS at checkout, the system guarantees pinpoint delivery accuracy before the order even reaches the kitchen or warehouse. Instead of relying on, typed out street addresses that might be misspelled or just impossible for a driver to find, this system physically anchors the delivery to a precise geographic coordinate. This single feature prevents countless delivery errors down the line. It's a real game changer. Once securely inside, the customer has a whole wealth of convenience tools right at their fingertips. They can manage their cart drawer, opt into real-time push notifications so they always know where their items are, and access a full history of past orders, complete with downloadable PDF invoices. And for regular customers, the system offers a one-click reorder function. It's a highly tailored environment entirely designed to make buying, and buying again, incredibly easy. Next up, Section 3, the driver portal, built with a mobile-first dark theme. Let's look at the actual onboarding pipeline for new drivers hitting the road. It's strict, but beautifully simple. Step 1, the driver completes a self-sign-up. Step 2, that application automatically goes into a pending status, where they can't access any routes at all. Finally, Step 3, a human admin reviews and approves the application. It ensures total security and quality control before anyone is ever handed a route. 20. That is the exact number of seconds between every live GPS ping sent from the driver's app back to the main server. Once they are actually out on the road, the driver's dashboard is constantly communicating with mission control. Every 20 seconds, a fresh location ping is logged, ensuring that pinpoint tracking we talked about earlier is truly, literally real-time. The interface these drivers are using is heavily streamlined. I mean, they sign in with a phone number or email and password, complete with a helpful little password eye toggle. But the real genius of the driver dashboard is the one-tap status flow. When you're driving and delivering, you obviously don't have time to navigate complex menus. So drivers can update their entire workflow, picking up, out for delivery, delivered, with a single, safe tap on their screen, while the notification bell keeps them instantly updated on any sudden route changes. And finally, we pull back the curtain on Section 4, the Admin Command Center. This is the restricted staff portal for the entire operation, mission control. Before we get into the specific admin tools, we need to quickly touch on the concept of CRUD, because this staff portal gives admins complete CRUD powers over almost the entire system. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. It's basically the foundation of database management. Whether it's adding a new driver, reading customer order histories, updating product images, or deleting an outdated category, the admins have absolute control over the platform's persistent data. So, with all these customers making one-click reorders and drivers pinging their live GPS every 20 seconds, you might be wondering, how does Mission Control actually orchestrate the total chaos of real-time dispatching? Well, at the center of their live dispatch capability is a live leaflet map, which allows admins to view all active drivers and orders simultaneously. But, and here's the kicker, they aren't doing this manually. The system features an auto-assign capability that automatically routes an order to the nearest available driver based on those 20-second pings. However, if something does go wrong, admins absolutely retain manual override powers, allowing them to expand any order, change its status, and assign a driver manually to fix the issue on the fly. But the Admin Center is way more than just a dispatch hub. It operates as a full operations dashboard and content management system. Admins have access to real-time revenue, orders, and top product metrics. They can instantly manage B2B trade inquiries directly through click-to-call or WhatsApp integrations. They manage automated system emails via Brevo SMTP routing. And through the site-setting CMS, they can actually visually rebuild the public storefront across 5 tabs, controlling visibility, the hero image, slideshows, sections, and the footer. It is literally total operational control, all in one interface. Every route, every role, all in one place. I love that. That quote right from the project's sitemap perfectly summarizes this entire e-commerce ecosystem. It seamlessly ties together the public user casually browsing, the VIP customer tracking their forced GPS checkout, the mobile-first driver on the road, and the admin watching the whole shebang unfold on a live map. I want to leave you with this final thought. When we look at how incredibly seamlessly these complex, multi-user architectures operate today, blending biometrics, live geographic data, and automated logistics into a single digital storefront, it really begs the question, if this is today, just how much more automated will our physical world become tomorrow? These invisible digital structures shaping our daily routines are getting smarter every single day. Keep learning and keep looking behind the storefront.